Hey there folks, how you going? It's Mark Whiteley here, and I'm just noticing my camera looks a bit like it's black and white, but that's fine, we'll just go with it. I'm not sure what setting I've changed there. Alright, so in today's video what we're going to do is going to cover the new system by Michael Cheney called AI Franchise. Gone through the whole thing. I picked it up a couple of days ago. So I thought I would do a review, show you inside, as you can see. And what I've done is I've added around about 26 bonuses that I've handpicked that I think will go really well with this system. And there's one really special one that you can have when you do pick up AI Franchise. Now, you may be over on YouTube watching this video right now, and if that's the case, you will see a couple of links below in the description. One of them is going to allow you obviously to pick up the AI Franchise. And by the way, guys, right now, during the launch, which only goes for a few more days, it's only $9. So it's super, super cheap. So what I'm going to show you is amazing for that little price. So let me just show you. There'll be another link below in YouTube, right, which is going to take you to this particular page right here. And you may be on this page watching this video right now, and if that's the case, fantastic. Below, you're going to see all of the bonuses, a little bit more information about AI Franchise, so you can learn a little bit more about what it does for you, right? So let me go ahead and first of all, I'm going to cover the bonuses real quick, and then we're going to show you inside AI Franchise, give you a little bit of a tour around what it is, how it works, and the potential with it as well. So first of all, if we just scroll down here, you're going to see a little bit of information about the AI Franchise business, okay? You're also going to see what it is, how it works, and the fact that you're actually partnering with a seven-figure earner here, right? A millionaire, which is Michael Cheney, and his team pretty much does everything for you, and they even have AI, which is going to develop the traffic for you as well. So really cool. Doesn't matter what you're promoting, even if you're not promoting the system that he gives you away, the franchise, and you have traffic needs to get traffic to anything else. This is definitely amazing for that. It'll work regardless, right? So that's why I really like it. So let's get into the bonuses. So I'm going to go over them pretty quick. You at any stage can just read through all of these in a lot more detail by visiting this page. I just don't want to spend the whole time going through the bonuses. There are a lot of them. But the very first one I want to sort of focus in on is something special that I've put together here, which is a one-on-one coaching session with me personally. Now, I run a seven-figure business as well. I've been in the industry for 15 years, so being able to get on a call with me for around about an hour so you can pick my brain, ask me questions, and I can look over your business and give you advice and help you out is pretty huge. It's not something I do very, very often at all. Now, normally for a session like this, I would charge $497, but you're going to get that with me free. Now, it is limited. Obviously, there's only so many hours in the day. So only so many people I can actually talk to. So it's limited to for the next 3 days, and you'll notice at the top of the page there is a timer. So just over 3 days left. So it's only limited to that amount of time, and it's limited to 10 people. That's it, okay? So if you're seeing this now and I haven't removed that, obviously it's still available. There could be a spot or two left for you to grab. So definitely go ahead, get that, and then you'll get this as well. All right, the next one, so all the rest of these are courses and trainings that I felt really relevant to help you with the AI Franchise and your business in general. Really important stuff. So we have the Millionaire Accelerator course. We have the $1.8 million sales letter. Really important because it's breaking down exactly how to write a sales letter. Really cool, the terminology and how to do it yourself. Why tactics are not enough in marketing. There's all training videos, by the way. The foundations of starting an online business. So if you're just starting from scratch, this is perfect for you. The traffic switch system. So this is fantastic if you're looking to get traffic to anything, any offer, whatever you've got going on. If traffic is your struggle, that's why I've thrown this in. It's really, really cool. Okay, how to get your own personal AI assistant. So how to have an assistant that's basically AI driven, where it can run a good portion of your business and leave you to do some more of the important things. All right. ChatGPT secrets revealed. There's full training. Now this is cool because ChatGPT is a little tedious if you don't know the right prompts and things to ask it to get the results you want. So these are some little secrets, some little prompts that's going to help you get the better results from ChatGPT, so you can actually use that in your marketing as well. The $6 million in 6 minutes. So Basically, this is actually Michael Cheney covering how he was able to make $6 million over the course of his actual career here. He's made probably a lot more than that now, but this is a 6-minute video. That's what that means, right? So in a 6-minute video, he breaks it down for you nice and quick there. Now, the one secret that changes everything, all right? So this is really important. A lot of people will, beating their head against the wall trying to figure out what is the secret. There is no real secret, but there is one real good thing that you kind of really need to understand. And when you do understand this, it's going to change how you think and how you actually act in your business in order for you to actually generate some income. The next one is 3 ways to get rich, full training. This is cool for like some fast money as well. So 3 cool little methods there. The complete millionaire cheat sheet. So this is Michael Cheney's cheat sheet on how he was able to become a millionaire. Obviously, he tried and failed in a lot of things. Once he got it figured out, he's put it into a basic cheat sheet, and then you can kind of follow that as well. Obviously, there's more to it, but you can actually follow that really cool training as well. How to turn $3 into a $3,500 per month income. Now, that's a passive income. Really cool training, this one. I actually watched that myself, thought it was fantastic. So I do recommend that one. How to turn memes into money. So if you want a quick buck, memes can do that for you. 3 little known cash tactics. All right, another quick turnaround on some income for you as well. How to leverage others, basically how to leverage others, people's expertise and work to actually skyrocket your own business, so develop some income there. So, how to lean on other people's skills, basically. All right, so master the art of irresistible call to action. So some people can build some fantastic pages and record videos and all that, but if you don't have a strong call to action done at the right times and done in the right way with the right wording, you're really not going to get the clicks. So this is going to teach you that. It's a little bit of an art to it, and that's why we've called it the art to irresistible call to actions. All right. Next one is one thing you need to be successful at anything, regardless if it's online or offline. This is really cool. You need to watch that as well. The secret formula to maximize profits. All right, so they're the bonuses that I've put together, and you'll also get these additional bonuses from Michael as well, which is the AI traffic machine. So how to use AI to develop as much traffic as you want, right? You just activate this and it's going to bring you in traffic to anything you want, which is really, really cool. AI franchise playbook. So that's the actual playbook step by step for getting results with this AI franchise system. The activation codes, okay, so these are simple codes that you can put into different places on the internet that's going to actually bring you in more results, all right? Money, basically. The millionaire cloning system. So once again, how to clone his $1 million business, all right? Step by step, it's all broken down. It's a very simple process to follow. And once it's revealed, you'll kind of like aha moments will happen for you. All right, the automated customer service solution. So how to use AI to get customer service done for you, and how to actually let Michael and his team deal with it all and fix it all up for you, right? Pretty cool. And then you have the live $240,000 handover session. That's what the AI franchise has generated so far for other people, which is amazing. So he's able to hand that over to you, so you get a full session there. And easy payment processing. So if you've got your own products, or you want to have your own products and you want to be able to process payments very simply without having to go through vendor rules, this is fantastic. It's going to allow you to process those payments. Now remember, all of this, every single thing here is only available to the 8th of Feb, okay? It finishes at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After that, the bonuses, the discount price, the whole lot is completely gone, okay? He's going to be removing that, and he always does, okay? No false scarcity there. Now, you'll actually see if you come to this page after that period of time, it's going to revert to another page once this timer hits 0, saying, hey, whoops, you've missed out on all of the bonuses. You can still get the course though, but it will cost you more than it is right now, which is the $9, okay? So I totally, highly recommend this. And one of the big things I like about it is it's got hands-free AI, which gets you all the traffic, free traffic automatically. That's really cool. Let me show you all how that kind of works. So let's go into the system now. And by the way, like I said, there is buttons on that particular page. Just click one, go and pick it up ASAP, and you can get access to this as well. If you're on YouTube, there will be a link there to go directly to his sales page where you can get it as well. The bonuses will be delivered automatically inside your Warrior Plus purchases area. There'll be a button that says get the bonuses. Just click that and you'll get, I'll have them all sent to you immediately. All right. So You got this welcome video, which is all pretty cool. All right, partner with Michael, so you got to get approved for his particular product. You get 100% throughout the entire thing. The money's all yours. That's why it's a franchise. It's just given to you. You get the whole show. So he shows you how to get started, how to get approved for that, and then you want to download all the done for you promotions. So the whole thing's done for you, right? All the promotions are laid out, ready to go. Really, really simple. When you click on these, you're going to be able to watch simple videos, all right? You get your emails, your bonuses, and your product walkthrough video. You can use all of these to promote this particular product, right? And you set it up so it's automated. Now, once you set it up and it's automated, then you're going to need traffic. So that's where this next stuff comes into it, right? So the first thing is you need to get people into your little world so you can build a relationship with them so you can then promote this particular franchise product. So first of all, you get to meet the AI and how it all works. Then you want to set up what they call a lead magnet. Now the lead magnet is super cool because essentially what you're doing is you're using AI to create it. Look, watch this, ready? So first of all, you're going to click Get Lead Magnet, okay? All right, Get Lead Magnet, the AI is now talking to me, and then it wants me to paste in the contents of the sales letter for the product that you want to promote. So this can be done for any product whatsoever, all right, which is kind of freaking cool, right? Let me see if I can actually do a little bit of that for you. I won't do the whole thing because it could take forever. All right, so if I just went, I don't know, let's just go, my computer's running a bit slow. I'm just going to grab some of this content, okay? That'll do, just to show you kind of how it works, yeah? And I'll paste that in there. You would get all the content from the whole page. I just don't want this video to take forever. Then what it's going to do, thank you for sharing. Now, please provide your affiliate link for the product you want to promote. This will help me generate the lead magnet idea for you. All right, so if I just go here, I do have a link here, so I'm just going to copy that. Let's come over here, let's paste that in there, let's click go, yeah? It is literally going to produce your entire thing. Look at that. It's producing a complete lead magnet, super simple. Now, I only gave it fed it a little bit of information. Obviously, you would want it to do some more, okay? So choose one of the 5 ideas and I'll complete a 1,000-word lead magnet report. All right, so let's see. Mindset of millionaire, traffic generation secrets, how to attract customers easily. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, I'm gonna go, I like that one. Yeah, cool. So let's go number 4. See if that's what I need to put in there. Great choice, boom. Look at that, it is building me an entire lead magnet using AI, right? And Michael Cheney's brain in there. All right, so I'm not gonna, okay, I'll sit through the rest of it here. Boom, done, right? You can turn this into a PDF now, so I just simply turn it into a Google Doc, right? Save that as a PDF, and now I have my lead magnet ready to go. I mean, that's how powerful this thing is. I'm pretty impressed by it, right? Pretty impressed. So my entire lead magnet is done. Once we've got that, we can then get images. We need to get images for a lead magnet, right? And that's all AI as well, all right? Describe the image that you want and best describe it as you can. So I won't go through that one, but simply I'll just put in there, my image is about this free lead magnet called XYZ. Please make it in black and red and make it look really professional, blah, 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 right? Whatever I want, just put some information in there. It'll spit out a cool image. Now you have your lead magnet image. You've got your lead magnet all done within minutes. So once that's done, we'll move on to getting the final lead magnet, okay? Now this is really simple. All it is just telling you how to put it all together. And now you have your lead magnet ready to go. You've got your done for you promotions, your emails, everything ready to rock and roll, right? All automated through this system. Crazy. Then we're going to go and get traffic. And most of the traffic is going to be done through social posts. You know, you've got Instagram, you've got TikTok, you've got Facebook, you've got Pinterest, heaps of places, right? But we don't have to think about it much because it knows the lead magnet, right? So here's my lead magnet. I just click on Get Social Posts, right? But watch what happens here. It's pretty cool. So it's going to go and create social posts for you. All right. So before I create the social media post, could you please tell me about your hobbies? Also, do you have a pet? If so, what's the name and type of animal? All right. So I'll just put like basketball. I'll just do that because I do. The beach. I have a dog named T-Bar. All right, cool. Let's just see what it does for me now. So it's going to create some personalized posts here. Post 1, all right? There's my first post I can do, second post I can do, third post, and so on and so on. So I can do more, right? Feel free to use or modify these posts. They're designed to engage and relate while connecting your personal interests to the opportunity that you want to share. And I can just do get more posts, all right? Pretty cool. And then he shows you how to obviously go ahead and put those posts, where you'd put them, how do you put them, how do you drive traffic. Then you drive that traffic, people get the lead mag, then they're opt-in, then they go through the follow-up sequence, which then sells the franchise system, and you get 100% of the money because it's like your own product. So this is super simple, super easy, fast to set up, quick to get results, build a list, build an income, build a recurring income on top of it as well. It's already generated $247,000 for people that have been using it. So I can't recommend it enough. This is really, really cool. All right, and you just saw how quickly and easily I just, very sloppily though, put it together. You could do a really good job at doing this as well. And then there's additional bonuses. Here's the bonuses that he's providing. Plus there's one extra one. Okay, a little story here of a little guy's escaped 9 to 5 hell. It's a true story of one of his particular clients. All right, so this is pretty damn cool, right? And I highly recommend it. Like I said, $9 right now. So if you're on YouTube, just one of the 2 links below. One will just go straight to my page where you can read more about my bonuses. The other one will go directly to the actual sales page. And the sales page, as I said, looks like this here. All right, so it looks like this. Okay, so it's $9.95. It's gone up 95 cents since I last spoke about this. Now, in knowing that, it is going to continue to go up. So you do want to get on this as soon as possible. All right, just get on it as quick as possible. It will be continuing to go up, and it's then going to be I think it's 3 times the price once this ends, and you'll lose out on all the bonuses. They're gone, especially that one-on-one coaching session with me personally. So I highly recommend you get serious and get this. It's freaking cool. It's freaking awesome. All right, so click any of these red buttons on my page. If you want to check out this page, you're on YouTube, just click the link below. It'll take you to this page. There also will be a link below in the YouTube there. That'll take you directly to the sales page, and go and grab it. You'll get immediate access to it. You can just see how cool it is, see how easy it is set up. You'll get your bonuses delivered straight away. There's an ability there to book in that call with me when you want to have that call, and you don't have to use it straight away. You can use it within 2 to 3 weeks time or whatever. And I'm happy to get on a call and help you out, yeah? All right, so that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Go and grab it. Get AI Franchise ASAP. Really cool software. $9. Can't go wrong. All right, that's it for me. See you in the next video. Ciao for now.